News. The central bank governor, Dr. Kamau Thuge, says there is no need to tighten the monetary policy as the government has successfully managed to deal with inflation, which is a boost to the country's economy and stability. The CBK governor made the remarks at the 28th Annual Institute of Certified Secretaries Conference in Mombasa, revealing that the Monetary Policy Committee had given him the assurance.
In the recent monetary policy meeting of April 3rd, we left the CBR unchanged because the Monetary Policy Committee felt that the actions that it had taken had indeed resulted in lowering inflationary pressures and to a certain extent addressing the exchange rate pressures, and also the inflation expectations were well anchored. In addition to that, the Monetary Policy Committee felt that going forward, that fuel prices will come down, food prices also will come down, and also the continuing impact of the tight monetary policy on the non-food, non-fuel inflation also would force the non-food, non-fuel inflation to come down. So really there was no need to tighten monetary policy any further, and that the existing monetary policy was sufficient for us to move towards the 5% midpoint of our target range.